Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in New Zealand's spectacular west coast. We will soon explore Fox Glacier and a stunning lake in Hokitika. If you enjoy travel, nature and a bit of history, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We arrived at Fox Glacier at sunset. The fading light lit up the icy peaks. Fox Glacier is special. It is one of the world's most accessible glaciers. At 13 kilometers long, it drops from the southern Alps into a lush rainforest. We planned a helicopter ride for the next morning. In a perfect world, we would have soared above the crevices and icy peaks. The helicopter would have given us an amazing bird's eye view of the glacier. Unfortunately, the weather had other plans. Heavy rain fell overnight. The helicopter ride was cancelled. While it was a bit disappointing, we learned that nature often tells us to slow down. Sometimes rain creates its own charm. In rain or shine, every moment here is incredible. If you have experienced such an unexpected turn in travel, please share your experience by way of comment below. So after breakfast, we made our way to Hokitika. This town is known for its rich culture and art. Hokitika has a deep history. The boom times of gold mining and the tradition of Paunamu carving still echo in the streets of local galleries. Walking along its charming lanes, the legacy of the gold rush era comes to life in signages or the artisan boutiques that line the sidewalks. We visited Lake Hokitika while it was still drizzling. The lake's clear waters reflect the sky and nearby mountains in a breathtaking mirror image. Walking along its edge, you feel peaceful amid nature's art. It is a quieter and inspiring alternative to the more crowded nearby attractions. In the soft drizzle, each raindrop creates subtle ripples that enhance the lake's mesmerizing reflections. The serene atmosphere makes every step along the lakeside path a gentle journey into nature's own canvas. Our journey does not end here. Next, we will take the amazing Transalpine train to Christchurch. This scenic ride has views that will leave you speechless. We will share that story in our next video because it deserves a full spotlight. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed today's adventure. Thank you very much for joining us on this roller coaster of a day from the magical Fox Glacier to the calm reflections of Lake Hokitika. Please stay tuned for our upcoming Transalpine train journey from Arthur's Pass village to Christchurch. See you soon. Bye.